All you guys need as a tools is just a Phillips screwdriver and one of these plastic tool removals, the panel removers. So we'll just start from this corner point here or here. We're not going to try to start from the sides here or in the bottom. Undo the top bit. As you can see, it just pops out right here. So just get your hand nice and gently, start just pulling, making your way slightly down just to unclip that. This part can get a little bit tricky because these buttons in the bottom, it's quite thick. It's just going under, and this frame will be stopping you, and the actual air vent is sliding sort of slightly goes up. So we gotta just make it nice and firmly and be gentle with it. Back, you've got two clips for the hazard light. There's one of them. So there's a little locking thing. You just push the latch down and unplug it, and that's your plug comes out. And then you've got your plug for the buttons. So we just do the same thing. It has a little locking latch. We'll just push it in and unlocks and comes off. So these are the two buttons, and now that part frame is off. And then we've got your Phillips, 4 screws, 2 here, 2 here, and do it for the actual screen to come out. And then you've got the main unit behind it. So be really gentle and careful not to hit it in any of the corners. Turn it around, you'll see a couple of plugs. That's your display plug with the power to unplug it, and that's again another one that you can just see it has a little lock, pushes inside, and just gently undo it, and the screen is out. And you've got 4 screws for the main unit to just come out as well. Just grab it nice and easily, pull it out towards yourself, and then you've got your plugs in the back, which we start unplugging them one by one. That's your camera plugs, factory USB 1, factory USB 2, and a GPS antenna if it has one, and your radio antenna right here, and the main power plug, which it has again a little lock here. So you just make sure you just pull the little lock up, and we'll just unlock it and then just push it down. Nice and easy, comes out, and that's it, all done.